To create a new preset, click File, New, or click this button. To open an existing job, select Open, or click this button. To save your file, select Save As, or click this button. If you want to save all changes made to the current job, select Work Data. This creates a GCR file. If you only want to save changes made to the image, select Only Image. This creates a PNG file. To change the background image to a garment other than a shirt, select Import, then select Background Image. If you want to create a color reference chart on your garment, select the Chart option for the garment color you want to print on. This chart will show color examples along with RGB values for easy referencing. To export your job as a PRN file for more expedited printing, click File, Export Job File, or select this button. Select Computer to save the file to your hard drive or a USB drive connected to the computer. If you save to a USB drive, you can later attach the drive to the printer and print files directly from the printer. When you're done, click Save.